So you want to decorate your computer a little bit different. Well, most of you know how to do this, but maybe not. So for those of you who know how to change your wallpaper on your computer and so on and so forth, or your background image here, this video you can probably skip. It's not going to apply to you. But for those of you who don't know how to do it, let me show you. So with this video dropping in about December 2nd, I think, we're now into the Christmas season. I am not a Christmas person, I'm sorry. If those of you who know me, know my story, you understand why. Those of you who don't, if you really want to know, you can ask. But yeah, so let's go over to Google, and I've already done some image searches, and I just put Christmas desktop wallpaper. And what I did is when I did that search, instead of clicking all, I put images, and these images have popped up. The way you get these images, provided they are not copyrighted, is you click on the image here and it'll show up over here. And then what you do here is on this image, you do right click, save image as, and make sure you're putting it in your pictures folder or a subfolder of that, depending on how you want to do it for your computer. And then you just click save. Again, like I said, you click on the image, you come over here, you right click, save as, make sure you're in pictures, and save. Now just remember, some of these images, like it says here, these images may be copyrighted. So most people, for individuals, it's not going to matter so much. But if you're a business or a small business or an entrepreneurial, you might want to consider this. If it's on desktops that are not shown to the public, it's not going to be so much of an issue. But if it's like you're using this image for like your advertisement in store or in your windows or whatever, yeah, it might be a problem. So check. And usually those people who own those images are usually really reasonable. So anyways, once you've got, a whole bunch of them saved, anywhere you go back to your desktop, and this is my desktop, obviously you've seen it a million times. From here you do a right click and you go into personalize. Personalize should take you over here. My current background is set to obviously the studio background, but if I wanted to change it, I would click browse, and there's my images. Now there's one, there's two, there's a whole bunch of them, right? So yeah, so let's just pick one. And now, ta-da! There's my background. And it's a pretty background. That's nice. And it might not, you might have to adjust it to your screen. Whoops, wrong one. You might have to adjust it to your screen under personalize. You can do fill, which fills the entire screen, but it may chop off the top or the bottom. You can do stretch, which shrinks it, stretches it, whatever, but may distort the image. You can do tile, but the image is large enough I don't have to worry about tiling. You can do center, which will put it dead center, but you may get black borders or whatever around it. And span, which means it repeats the image. So yeah, you can do that. One of the other things you can do too is slideshow. Now how slideshow works is you choose your pictures, and we're going to go into the picture folder. Oh yeah, you select the folder, I'm sorry, and you choose it, and this is where you want to put your images in a subfolder. It helps. And then you can have your photos change every minute, every 10 minutes, every 30 minutes, every hour, So, and then again, set it to what best fits yours. Usually fit or stretch will do most of them. And then if you want it to be an automatic thing where it's in random, put the shuffle on if you have a particular story you're doing to remember. Some people like to have images of a very important day, a wedding or Christmas or whatever. You can leave the shuffle off and it'll go sequentially through the list. Shuffle just randomizes it. So, but yeah, that's pretty much how you do your backgrounds. Solid colors if you're like me, not really a Christmas person, you can put it on solid color, change the color. Ta-da! That's almost offensive to the eyes, isn't it? So, but yeah, that's what I do. Or that's how you do it. Of course, I'm using a particular one for this desktop for the studio. So, yeah, that's what it is. So, I don't know. I might change up the background a little bit for the holiday season. Maybe add a Christmas tree. I don't know. Again, I'm not a Christmas person. I leave that responsibility wholly and truly my wife because she is a Christmas person. So she's the one that does most of the decorations in the store also. So yeah, if you see, pretty Christmas lights or pretty Christmas decorations or any other type, because she's a crafty person, that's who you thank for the decorations in the store. If it were me, I would never decorate anything because I don't see the purpose in it. So, but there you go. That's how you change your wallpaper and your backgrounds, and you can set it for auto change for you, and go on, so on and so forth. So if you have any computer problems, you can definitely give us a call. We'll certainly take care of you. If you found this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. If you don't have a Google account, we're over on Facebook. Go over there and like that page too, and you'll get the notices also. So anyways, you guys have a wonderful day. Talk to you later.